In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear browser history in Firefox. So clearing your history will help fix some of the challenges or some of the problem you are encountering with your Firefox browser, and it will also make your browsing journey smooth and fast. So to clear history, just go to these menu buttons here, these three lines, and tap on them, and then scroll down until you see the option called Settings. Under Settings, choose the option called Privacy and Security, and here scroll down until you see the history section, and we have our history section here. So if you go ahead and tap on clear history, now you can see here we can clear browsing history, cookies, temporary cached files and pages, as well as saved form information. So you can also choose the time span you want to clear. For instance, you can only clear for the last 1 hour. If you click on this down arrow, you can see you have an option to select the length or the time period you want to wipe out the data. For my case, I want to wipe out everything. And then I'm told here that all selected items will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. So if you are sure of this, go ahead and tap on clear. Now the good thing is clearing history will not affect your bookmarks on your browser. So the clearing has been done, and now I have a fresh new browser. So I can go ahead and now begin browsing. So that's how you clear your browsing history in Firefox. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.